Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me, my voice is tripping. But, you know, when you've been inside for a while, things get a little crazy. But I just wanted to come to you guys with a quick lock update. So I have some good news. So you know how like some of my locks had like fallen out and my edges like got really thin and stuff? Well, they're all fully in and I twisted this little guy. So it's going to be his own little lock. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, finally. It's like going on like 4.5 months later, and you know we're getting some good parting back, and I did retwist again. But yeah, so I'm like super excited. And then I did use aloe vera gel to do my hair this time, and I did use a little bit of that lock and twist that I was telling you about because I do kind of want to use it up, but I really only used it like towards the front just so I can have a little bit of extra hold. And then I haven't really been manipulating my hair at all. I'm putting in like little loose pigtails, and then when I'm at home I'm just like letting it flourish. So I've been trying to eliminate stress, drinking a ton of water, and just getting things back into balance. And it's been a good journey so far. Like I definitely learned a lot in the first 2 months, and I've slowly been changing my parting space. So as my hair grows out, I've been like this was like 3 or 4 and they fell out. So I've actually changed it into one piece because two of the pieces fell out, and I was showing you guys like the pieces that were falling out and things like that. And as my hair gets healthier and grows, I've just been turning them into a single piece or 2 pieces versus all the multiple pieces that there were before. I have not counted to see how many locks I have in total just yet. But I haven't lost anything in a while now, so that's really good, and I'm getting my hair on track, and maintaining it myself has been the best thing for me to do, because you really learn and get to know your own hair, and it's nice to have a stylist and everything, but I feel like with this journey, especially in the beginning, it's much better for me to have my own kind of routine and just kind of learn my hair a little bit more. At first I was like, the first month I was kind of regretting getting locks, especially the lock extensions. But what I've been doing is actually cutting the locks as my hair grows out. As you can see, like my new growth is like, this is like all without the lock extension because my hair was longer and you have to, you know, intertwine your hair with the extensions, but my hair is definitely growing, so that's good news. And then I've only been doing a wash like every week and a half, 2 weeks. And then from there, I've been kind of just like keeping my scalp as clean as I can, and not manipulating the hair too much. And I've just kind of been letting it do its thing, and it's been growing and getting healthy. So that's really good news. And I'm just like so excited. If you have any tips or tricks on how you maintain your locks, I would love for you to put that down in the comment section below or send me a message, because any help along the way would be great. And if you guys want to see how like I wash my hair or an updated like retwist because I've been changing things, or just any suggestions you might have, leave them down in the comment section, okay? Thanks for watching this little update. I will talk to you guys soon. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.